Do you take a lot of screenshots but forget to delete them? Will not it be great if your phone could clean up the recent one automatically? Fortunately, Android 16 has a new preset routine called Move Recent Screenshot to Trash. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine, tap Discover, scroll down the screen. Under Advanced Routine section, select Move Recent Screenshot to Trash. Inside this routine, if section is set to start manually, which means you need to tap Start each time you want to run it. And in the then section, the routine is set to get the 5 most recent screenshots and move them to the trash automatically. Tap Save to add the routine. With this routine, now whenever you tap Start, your phone will move the 5 most recent screenshots to the trash automatically. It's a quick way to keep your gallery clean, especially if you take temporary screenshot like receipt, chat, or one-time info. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.